And make sure you blend this part to be nice and thin. Thinner is better because then that will blend it really nice. Can you pin that? That's good. So now I'm going to pick up my nude colors and I'm going to do 2 sections for all of the beginners. I'm going to do it right, pick a smaller portions, the smaller beads, and I'm going to blend it. Working on the ombre part first, and then I'm gonna go into second beads and working imperfect on the cuticle area. So for all of you who are just first time tuning in to our live tutorial, welcome to Glitz Accessories and such, and thank you so much for all of you who've been supporting every night, tuning in with us. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna using some of the glitter. That you will receive from your treasure box. Is summer treasure box. I'm gonna get some of this out and then see what is gonna fit in here. You will get something similar, something like this, but you get 12 different color of this. I'm gonna take this one out. Who's gonna help me? Let me play something fun on that pickers. It just give us a hard time, huh? Press it down because it's still soft. Let me see if I can find something else for my charms collections here. Maybe that star. The powder starts setting on me already. But it's okay if you need to add it on. You still get into the powder, not biggie at all. There you go. And I'm gonna using, you get one of these collections into your treasure box. I'm gonna dust it for a little bit. This, you can randomly pick anything you would like to. I can't wait to do a lot with this collection of the treasure box. This is something special that we doing it for you. To special thanks so much for the love and support. And we want you to have a lot of cool tool, so then you can really ready for summers. I think I want this dog one. Excuse me. Thank you. Oh, I see it's weird though. Oops, sorry. All right, so if you're happy with this, we're gonna cap this one. I got something on it. I know I can do so many funs with this collections glitters, and you can pretty much do it everything. Go with all seasons. Great. Let it set. Hi Bella, hi Maya, hi Sarisa. Mom in Lashes, hello, thank you so much. Hi Super Cute Bling Nails. I just got to see what happened that when I see all of you. If I don't say hi to every single of you that I didn't get to see, just don't kill me. I didn't get to see